Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this match cut text effect on CapCut PC. Just going to add this on my timeline here, and I'm just going to zoom in like that, and I'm going to place each like photo on top so that I can see where I have to place you know what, let's do this one first actually. Like that. And then I'll place this one on top and adjust the opacity. And I'm gonna place that there. It's a little bit hard because they're not in the same area here. Let me see if this one fits. Okay, this one is good for it. Just trying to make every font the same size here. Just put it that there. Adjust the opacity. And just scale it up a little bit. You're basically just going to match it with the first photo that you have, and you're going to continuously match it. And I'll be right back when I'm done matching everything. So okay, I'm back, and I've decided to just zoom it in and use everything, but I just added the canvas background that matches with every color of the news. Then I'm going to go to the background section. I'm just going to use this paint color. You can use any color that you want. And I'm just going to freeze frame that, and I'm going to overlay it on top of every Taylor Swift word. Let's just use this rectangle mask here and place it here. Go back to basic, and we're just going to adjust the opacity. I feel like the first one needs to be a little bit adjusted. Like that maybe. Let's put her back. We're gonna make this a little bit bigger here. Okay, I'm just going to delete the first one because it's not the same size as everything else. Okay, once you're done with that, you're going to add in some sound effects. So go to the audio section here and go to sound effects and type in shutter or camera shutter. I'm just going to use this one. Wait, let me hear this one. Oh, actually I like this one a little bit better. And then you're going to add it to every image at the beginning. And that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!